compare cook Canadian Japan. One in town, and now one in social media, one in the TV station. Aha, me referee. Net two, net two. There, papa it's not what is someone. Everybody I am not what papa passes here or no so a yep or a person or franca 2 Emma MPP bedi a man penny a woman so I just say a bit more pen pa a bit so tiny pa. Now when I should more about say a year COVID time on coronavirus by ya papa titi Christopher papa ya papa titi aso for papa just all ye expose na ma just aso for bi etu dedia na nya asem keto. Now when people say now papa comment time me send you see ya aso for do so pu aso for expose aso for dom adapa any dwuma mu die nyina di aso for bi fa bottle water turn 10,000 at the so for aden there's a papa ye bia say obegu aya aso for ne mu bi any mo ase na bi mu say na papa yi krasto ne asofo e wo case o oni asofo enti asundwe mu sa na ne ye tuma na so bedi Ghana ban so ene ye se ahwe asofo de o kita degree pa de wa sole pa de o ma ne nkoso na cha se aye bi mu so dadwene coronavirus time papa be yema e Christopher bebre na jejo mo nsori e Christopher bebre na abemu ebuye e Christopher na epa ba se o mbe sunyame because na ensem na papa idi ba no na ano odin papa enti se sia no akoy dadwen ama Ghana fo ne asofo a e wo Ghana se sia se ene papa be di sofo ene ne ode be ba de ano be de papa na okopie mu e wo interview bi ase no se ono oho no kra na wo kan na ebi patch se oye antichrist nenso ono antichrist oho bi kra da na no kra na no pese yede oka yenkotie na no mu nsem emra sesia
so wo ba say na me no ye nkyerechera putu questions enkyerese we are antichrist I know where you coming from. COVID time I expose a lot of fake pastors.
Yeah,
I mean, let's go to Kings and we see the prophet of Baal and Elijah. What do you say? They were prophets of Baal. They were all fake prophets. And Elijah, the only a year were for Yankupon. Omu testy omu, ubian tested Yankupon yenre. So, and the Bible now says, in the end, there will be false prophets who will claim, I'm the Christ, I'm the Messiah. And that is exactly what is going on.
okay.
So, if I tell you, Unyamana away, and yet Christos Sumwa,
And just we are antichrist.
and just be antichrist, I am rather teaching you the way. Or see, I have created you in my own image. And what is the image of God in you? That you always depend on somebody for your survival. I disagree.
Okay, ono my share e kasa me da ase nyame so nhira wo kwan afa so wa yima no by the radical. But on the next point ne say o man mu empanifo do na ni nipa nyina e kasa na say kwan afa so a tete ho moral integrity has been tainted and corrupted. Enti e face e see etimi ye bibi e fa ho because suban a kanen no bia wo ba beto ye ntete e de mo say Ghana ni ba obeboa no ho obenya odo tema no kredi be ye adwuma e kofom wo man. Enti this year July 26 27 Church of Pentecost organized a first national development conference where they invited politicians na by and other top officials, governance structures na by which tie obi akasa mu a obi agitum say Ghana your moral integrity are corrupted. Nidi kan honorable e den na ama sese man ayati isu ne ebra ye bo no kredi periperi ye si ebe jai ketashi sane proye e to etise e wo mem na bra wunyini ba no na sa bra bo na Ghana na o ade na esi.
You know, I know I'll blame politicians, but I'll blame Christians first or religious bodies first. Opatuma, I can't crash out. Sanya ufu say politicians are failing. Christians, Muslims, all religious bodies, most failing country. Because in church, from a sorry munwa edibu ebra ene san kyerɛkyerɛ nyina monye
for instance as dey nkyerɛkyerɛ na
enti sɛ wo blame politicians a ɔsɛ ye blame ye nya kukuduro ye blame asorefo no nyina nso because we believed in you e believe say osofo afro hwɛ yesusa just say you be proud so uko sensio e de akoma osofo you be proud so mission house now we school boy uko sensio e de akoma sofo na che say osunipa de e be mad and then nobody regards you. Why? Because of inchirachire emfa kwemu bibiri. I said something na maybe na omo community ase. You see, instead say onipa ekwa ho kire mu a obeka kire no se krachi ewura yankopon wo ho. But also oyiro ho na akoye adwuma. Enne osofo do obekwa kogina sorry dem. Ebinum do obekwa kogina sorry dem. Abompaya 24 hours. Where is the solution? Abraham Yankopon say I've created you in my own image. So enyoma bebre akoso ama asore no enchirachire no ekofom. Christosum no ana ye di hye mu ye nkwala bremu no. Enen ye no kurani ekofom. But see ye nyini nyina no about 70-80% Muslim Christians ye nyina ye ko asore no. Due to me say majority of us we have religious in us, but then what has happened? So, enti sa moral decadence. A free asori no mu and politicians. We are so greedy. Politicians, are greedy. Ghanaians, civil servants, are greedy. Everybody is being selfish. Nia obenya akodie on kese Ghana man no be say so long as ono betimi enye bibie. We believe say me politician me kasam kire obi a efutu amreba no osofo man efutu obefa osofo de no achen me because of the nature of your job and everything. So people respect or we respect. Sorry.
Yes, in Navy and Nibu. And ye bompa say, about we delegate if we bet to my papa. I send you tea beer, ye bet to my Kennedy Agyapong. A be cran ye nipa green, and ye no, or dream, sell the baby accused to fool, or no a drum pan or pat or baby ever Ghana memoir. And you may question my son, did you make it, or by Tampa travel express consultancy for my, as soon as I made you make my crown in what.